0, this is 1.
One group member connected.
Absolutely perfect. Is it PSA?
Yep.
I've got too much fucking kit on.
I'll wait till you start moving.
What a lovely day.
Beautiful, eh?
Where you going?
Where do you fancy?
Say, hold on, Blaine. Callander.
Aye.
Happy fucking days.
Brilliant, eh?
Escaped on the bike. Look at that. Blue sky.
Freezing cold. What more could you ask for?
Hardly hear the bike running with the earplugs in.
Well, a lot better. How do you find it with the plugs? Well, wait till we get a bit of speed up. It just takes the drone away, and it really reduces the wind noise.
Hey, what, the heated grips are fucking brilliant.
Oh, definitely. Mine's are on. I've got my summer gloves on as well.
Feel the cold in your face away.
Aye.
You've got a balaclava on, haven't you?
Yeah, I've got my rucker balaclava. I always get caught at a red light. There we go.
Get to fuck.
It's brilliant. Aye, I like that road. Oh, itchy nose. Oh, visors in the road. Itchy nose.
I know you got the sun visor now.
No, because your sun visor was knackered.
Fucked.
Yeah.
Never forget how to go your bike, do you?
No. Never.
Saying that, when I picked up that Kawasaki 1400, I hadn't been on a bike for, what, 10 years?
Yeah.
Right, and it started raining, I'm thinking, oh, give me a break. Right, come to the first roundabout, I'm thinking, oh, fuck. And it went round and round and I thought, you never forget.
Nah.
Riding a bike.
Nah, you don't. Aye, what a cracking day.
But yeah, a few bikes out early this morning, eh?
Yeah. The roads are quite quiet this morning.
Yeah, actually, eh? Busy again next week because the schools are back.
Yeah. Itchy nose.
That programme I was telling you about was Man from Uncle, do you remember that?
Man from Uncle, I didn't watch it. I'm not really a telly watcher, eh? Unless it's Pornhub.
It was in temperature with the speed, eh?
I know, you come off the motorway and it's a lot warmer. Hello, bridge. It's just cracking out here, eh? The scenery, the mountains.
It is, eh?
You know, it's just nice.
When we were over this road the last time we turned left.
That's right, we did.
This time we're going straight up. Oh, did you?
Looking for idiots like us, maybe.
Not today.
Not today, Josephine. We're riding nicely.
Just cruising for a coffee.
Yes. And a bacon roll, or
Well, that sounds lush.
does, doesn't it? Oh, more roadworks.
Hola.
Hola. Hello.
Oh? It's a bit warmer now.
Aye. This is Dune. No up. Dune.
Doing this road hundreds of times.
Aye. I could stay here, like.
Nice wee place.
Yeah.
I'd get bored though.
Oh, a wee stretch of the legs.
Oh. I'm not standing up because you make me fart.
I know, I always make you fart when you stand up.
Drift is a drift which comes from the heart, and every shortcut is meant to be a fart. Now a fart is a good thing to give the belly ease, warms up the blankets and suffocates the fleas.
Some cracking roads out here, eh?
That's good, eh?
How's that for a view?
That cracking, eh?
Yep.
Beautiful. Oh man, first gear.
I'm in second. I'm going to drop it into third. That's better. I've delivered to that co-op there on the left.
Yeah.
Aye. Many years ago. Like 20 years ago.
Oh, this place is heaving.
It always is. Aye, busy.
Good to see though.
Well, aye. Brings money in.
Turning on the left here to Aberfoyle. If you go up there, I can't remember where it is, but there's a wee restaurant. You turn up at it and you think, what a shithole.
Yeah.
You go inside, it's fucking amazing.
Yeah. Looks are deceiving. Never judge a book by its cover. Look at that view.
Roof down, fucking music on, shades on, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that view to the left there.
It's gorgeous, eh? Coming right round the riverbank here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Brilliant, eh?
Ah, gorgeous.
Just beautiful.
You look at some of the places, like when we went to Luss, some of the views and just amazing, isn't it?
Oh, totally.
Even that day we went to, what was one down the borders? What was the loch called?
St Mary's Loch. Oh, the Tara Reservoir and Megget Loch.
Damn, yeah.
Yeah.
That was excellent.
The last time I went down there, last year, the weather was the same. In fact, actually it was hotter.
Our summer wasn't that hot this year. We had 1 month, June.
This summer's been quite poor. It's really fucked up the BBC's propaganda. How we're burning up. What a lot of pish.
You'll see marks on the road here.
I've seen them with that's for bikers, where to position your bike. A lot of shite. Another waste
Doesn't tell you how to position it away from the fucking potholes.
Aye, another waste of fucking money for the Scottish government. They're good at that. Beautiful, eh?
Aye, stunning. Oh,
cracking.
we need to come up here in the summer, eh?
Yeah, definitely. Right, that was a quick battery change on the GoPro.
Ready?
Yes. Onwards. Oh, itchy nose. I think this is definitely our last long ride.
I think so. I didn't realise we were in about 2 hours.
Yeah. And then the salt will be coming out. And the bikes will be parked
now,
up.
innit?
Aye. and our bikes will be parked up, staying away from the salt. Cracking, eh? Absolutely cracking. I don't think I'd like to go for a swim today right enough.
No. Those are quite quiet, isn't it?
Yeah. Makes a change.
5 mile, Tyndrum.
Ah, that's what you said though, wasn't it?
Right.
Tyndrum, not far away now.
Not getting breezy either.
Isn't half, eh? Into a headwind.
Do you recognise the place?
No.
The Green Welly stop.
The Green Welly.
Oh, he's out for a run. This is us.
They've probably just been to the Green Welly. They've probably just been to the Green Welly.
You better not have eaten all the fucking scran.
The Green Welly.
You wouldn't believe this is a fucking busy, eh?
I know.
Parked in here with the bikes.
Oh. Aye. Well, that was the Green Welly.
Well, that wasn't. Right. That bit there is.
Is it? Right, well we were in the wrong one, because that one that we were in was shite.
Aye. That's the cafe. That's the Green Welly stop there.
Aye. Well, we know for the next time. For the summer.
Up here now, someone got up to Fort William and back.
Aye.
You feel warmer after something to eat, eh?
Oh aye. Once you get something into your tum tum. Heated grips on.
That's a lot clearer.
I turned your volume up on your car though.
Oh, did you?
Aye.
Clint's no talking to me then, is he?
Who's that? Oh no, aye, Willie's got a moody cow with a car though. You must have a moody cow as well. Look at that for a view, eh? Apart from that stupid sign.
Bye.